Oh, yeah, I gotta show people man now.
What they call blue bush?
Blue bush.
Yeah, man, it good for all kind of things. It good for bumps, sore. If you have a try my teeth, you can take rub up in some water.
Teeth?
If my teeth, yeah, man, it good, man.
Like, you know, when them just start bust teeth and them something
right,
there.
and them full of sore. You can do that, man, rub up, get some water in one pan, and rub up it so it turn you blue.
Oh.
And you can't about them with it, so now. But then,
hold it there, man.
Yeah, man, hold there, man, hold there. So, when you giant pan them, you can put on them clothes.
Oh, so like, so like when them get like mosquito bite.
Yeah, man. You
mosquito bite and.
Right, you can do that, man.
Oh,
yeah,
like
man,
ants bite them.
Right.
So about like 40 legan is it there? I don't know about.
You know about one day.
But anything like ants and.
Yes, if you try a teeth or ears or so forth, you can do that, man.
So them teeth, where you do boil it?
No, man, you pick it, you get some water in one pan and you pick off the something off it like a part like this. And you go so you rub up in some water. When you rub up it. Oh, the water got turn blue? Yes, then you just build the child in a year. When you build in a you know, you make the giant pan here. Oh,
so you don't wash them off?
No, you just put them with you. When you giant pan, then you put on the child clothes.
See me, so I make it giant pan then?
Right.
Okay.
Good man.
Blue bush people, you see that?
Man.
This is called blue bush and a whole heap there, you know?
Whole heap there, man.
Whole heap, man.
Whole heap there.
Both, yeah. Them that over there, so though. Them grow wild.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Whole heap there, country, man.
They say I go pick some for you,
Yeah,
man,
I go pick some for you, man.
Yeah, man, and rub it up.
And rub up to show you.
Right.
Yeah, man.
This is blossom people.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, in the country life, you know?
Yeah, man, the country.
So it no matter if you leave them big or what?
You know, right. You know, big or liquor.
Because once you rub it off it,
right.
Oh.
Yeah, man, a good man.
You know, I always hear something too, Blast.
What?
I always hear something where them say, when you throw one behind you.
Yes, like this.
Oh, so what you do when you done rub it up? When you done rub it up, or when you done pick it?
You don't pick, you get so much in one pan,
yeah,
in one base,
yeah,
and you rub it till it get blue again, blue.
And then I saw them time they throw one back at you.
You can pick when you just pick you throw
when
one
you just pick it.
Yes, you throw one behind. Yeah, man.
So when you finish picking now, you got throw one back at you. Because one people have to see when you throw it back at you.
Alright, let me show you. See there?
Oh, so you just fling it back at you?
Yes, you throw it back at you.
So you done pick it now?
Yeah, man.
Alright, so you go get some water, you know?
Yeah, now I'm base, and rub it up, show them.
Alright.
This is country.
Alright.
Yeah, man.
Alright, so you get some water.
Yeah, get some water in this base, and I'm going to rub up here, make it blue.
Alright. Blue bush people.
Yeah, man. It's country.
Alright.
Man.
So you not pick off it, it's up them?
Yeah, man, I'm going to pick it off, man. Yeah, man.
Okay. Blue bush people.
Yeah, man.
Good for acne and them thing there.
Yeah.
Like bump and
yeah, man.
You get bites and them thing there, you know. When you're younger and a baby, your grandmother usually,
yeah, man.
Yeah, a whole heap of them thing, you know.
Yeah, man.
Rub you up and make it book. Alright. Oh yeah, wash it like a clothes.
I have to rub up, man.
Okay, so yeah, watch the process, people. I can see. Oh, see, start change color
yeah,
there.
Yeah, man. Country this now. Just have blue bush.
Let me see that, people.
Yeah, man.
Watch ya, for real, you know?
Yeah, man. You know, country this, my youth.
Jesus God, look at that.
Yeah, man.
Blue bush people. I don't know the scientific name for it, but yo, this look real blue for real, you know? Look at that.
Blue bush.
Oh God. Real blue bush with you, you know?
Yeah, man. You know, tell you, man, it's a country, you know?
Sure, no people.
Country this.
Man? Look at that, my people.
It's a country, man.
No, sir. This is real.
Yeah, man.
This is real, people. Look at that. Real blue for you, you know? This not even green. It's blue for real, you know? You know, oh, a green leaf actually makes blue water. Yo! Yes, man. Real country life.
Country life, this one. You can try it, you know? No, you can't try it, man.
Yes, them can try it.
Yeah, man. It's good, it's good.
People wanna see that real
Good,
blue
man.
bush.
Then you can build a child in here and you make it dry band them, then you put on in clothes.
Nice.
And then good to go.
Nice. So like this now.
Yeah,
oh,
man.
so hold on, you know you put the leaf on them, leaf can go on them too.
You can put it if any dip on them, no problem, man.
If you leave them on them, no problem.
problem.
Okay. But you don't normally put the leaf.
No.
I just the water you use
right.
them. Oh.
Right, if you want.
Watch your people. Let me show you something. Show the man, bless. Show the man. Watch your people.
Yeah, man.
Nah, man. I leave you real. Them bush are really. I take actually stain it and I make it look like your shirt, you know.
That's
Blue.
man.
Watch your people. Look at that, people. Real
right,
blue
man.
bush. Real life people. Naturally. Wimp. Wimp there, I know. Wimp, I get bearded at this. People, this is blue bush, people. Natural vibes. Real blue bush. Yeah, man. So it's good just like that, you know.
Good, man. Good to go.
Yeah, man. So normally this now, where do you like, yo, upon these people?
Yeah, man.
Cheese and
Good
peas.
to go, man. Good to
Whoa.
go.
Whoa.
Good to go, man. They can try, man.
Real blue bush people.
Yeah, they can try if they have it.
Yeah, man. So when the kids have no little bite or anything
Yeah,
like
man.
that, bump, you know, mosquito bite or my teeth.
You can use it.
So hold on, when them are teeth, what you say do? When them are teeth, what you do? You just...
skin full of bump, you can use it.
So when them are teeth, you just wash them off same way? In it?
Yeah, man.
Oh.
When they dry and pan, you just put on in clothes. Yeah,
So it's good for bump and teeth.
Yeah,
then?
man.
Wow. Real. You have some real bush out there in the
Yeah,
country where, like, them have real medicinal purposes in a way. You know, if you use no pill or none of them something like that. Normally, you have to run to a doctor and them thing, they go take a little pill and them thing, you know?
True.
But see it now, bush.
Bush.
You have a mosquito bite you up, you run go rub up your skin with all kind of something. This you use.
Yeah, man.
Real blue bush people. Look at this. Yeah, man. Give thanks to this in a blossom.
True, man.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man, people, this is blossom, you know. Look on her, I know it blue. She just showing you the real blue bush. Freshly picked from the backyard.
Yeah,
you understand? Yeah, man. So yes, my beautiful people. And you just hear that from Blossom. Yeah, man, she give you a tour upon the blue bush, make you know what it actually good for. You understand? This is it right here, full up in the backyard. Let me try get a closer look at some of them and show you where the flowers where it actually bloom. So it's actually good for like mosquito bites, you know, ants bite, and little insect bites. You understand? She said she don't know about the whole fertility thing. I'm not sure neither. But you understand? Wasp bite, them little insects there. You know, when them get bite and bump up, them skin bump up and thing, you know, allergic reactions to like certain insect bites. You actually get the blue bush, which is right here, full up in the backyard. You rub it up. People may not know how a green bush actually, when it rub up in the water, it actually turn blue. I don't know that work, but it actually work. Because I just see it. So that is blue bush, people. Blue bush, them call it. I really don't know the scientific name. I'll try and look it up and leave it in the description so you can see it or in the title. Blue bush, people. Blue bush. So the main thing about this now, when you rub it up and get the whatever out of it, extract out of the bush itself, you bathe your child with it, you understand? No soap or anything, just wash them off in night. Wash them off from head to toe, you understand? Don't dry them off. Don't dry them off, you understand? Put on them clothes same way, so make the bush and the liquid actually dry upon them, you understand? So it dry upon them naturally. You not dry them off with no rag or anything, just put on them clothes. And country people say that's how it works. So let me show you the flowers that these actually bloom. Bush. So it bloom them little nice little seed thing here. Understand? Nice little purple plant. seed, flowers, what them call it. So that is it, guys. These are where them actually bloom. Nice pretty flowers, people. And the good thing is that it bear everywhere, almost in everywhere. Once in a country you can find in any backyard, maybe you can find it. More than likely you are gonna find some of them blue bush thing here in the backyard. I understand, in your backyard. So that's the greatest thing about it. So that is blue bush, people. Respect to Blossom again for this. Share this with everybody. Please like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more vibes like this in the country. Whether it's cooking, vlogging, couple more videos coming with more bush, cause we can find more bush in the backyard. Cause man, I can tell you say like whole heap of them thing here over there on right now. Them have use, but I just don't know. So now I get some update on them. Going to some more backyard herb tour, herbs of the backyard tour. You understand? Because them are real life medicine, real life herbs. You understand? So give thanks again to everybody who tune in. Yard life's good. Remember, drop a subscribe on the channel. You understand? Drop a comment and the thumbs up button. Respect again. Bless up.